Hey guys, it's now Vlogmas day 18. Can you believe like Christmas is 1 week away? I don't seem to be able to comprehend that. I like don't know where even like all of November went. Also, I lost a nail. So this is the first time I've had one like pop off like this, but I washed my hands with really warm soapy water and I had touched a bunch of money, so I was trying to really make sure they were clean. Everything was fine, and then I went to put on my jacket and it kind of like put too much pressure on it. So yeah, it does say to like soak them when you're ready to take them off, but this is the first time I've had one pop off, so I think that's pretty good. I'll just pretend that it's not happening. Yesterday I worked pretty late and I woke up around 9:15 this morning. Got a big old cup of coffee. This one has all these like Christmas cats on it. Look how cute. He's got earmuffs, little bow, reindeer. So cute. So I'm having a big cup of coffee. I do have a lot I want to accomplish today. I need to mail. First, I need to draw the giveaway winner, so I will be doing that shortly. I'll email the person or Instagram direct message if their Instagram is on there, like however's easier, and let them know, hopefully get their address right away, because I'd love to send it out today. So I've got to send out my giveaway package. I have to send out a package to a friend who's probably watching this, and then also a Secret Santa to Zach's sister. So I need to get those out today. One of them, the giveaway one, I still need to like package up better. I've got to find the right box. I've got plenty of things to pack, like secure it with, but I've got to find the right size box, because you know, you want to get it as close to the right size as possible and then kind of pack it well. But I thought we could do our advent calendars early. That way I have that part done and then we can go about my day. I need to do some shopping and run some errands. I need to get some packing tape. There's several things I need to do, so I just need to like get moving. And honestly, on my days off, I just want to sit. I just want to like relax for a little bit, but we must do things, right? So let's do our sock calendar. So day 18, so this is day 6 of our 12 advent calendar. This is the deer. The sock one is too hard to get open. It hurts. Okay, these are precious. So these are little llama socks. I'm tempted to like wear these today over my leggings or something. I got llama socks. Those are so cute. I'm really excited about that pair. Let's do NYX, which is not insanely hard to open, thank goodness. They know how to make one. Little 18 there. This is a liquid suede. The lighting like sucky. This is the shade Peanut Brittle. That's Peanut Brittle. That's an intense, it's like a pumpkin color. Okay, Peanut Brittle. You got some color, babe. Then we got Feel Unique to go in. 18 is like the biggest box in the whole thing right there. So let's see what we got. It's a sleek highlighting palette in Solstice. I wonder if this is the one that was popular for a while. This is how I just tore this box open because I'm not dealing with those stickers. There's the sleek palette on the outside. Okay, sweet. I think this is that popular one, is it not? The one that like people were raving about for a while. That's what this one looks like. It looks like this top one's a cream. Got a little cream base on top. What is up with the lighting in here? I've got so much light going on and it's just weird. It looks like a cream base. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, there's a little shine. I definitely haven't had this before, but I think this is the one that was popular. Sleek palette, because I know everybody went crazy for it for a while. The rest are powders. So we got 1 and 2 and 3. They're really pretty. This is really, really nice. I'm so glad that I got this. My camera's about to cut me off any minute, so look fantastic. We're looking for day 18. It's a little squatty drawer. See, we got a larger tube. Okay, we got the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Ooh. So I'm going to chill for a bit, drink some coffee, straighten up, and then we will go do some Christmassy errands together. So I've decided to take a bath instead of a shower because I am constricted with these nails on. So as beautiful as they are, like I want to be able to do everything. And I was thinking, I was like, later on I'm gonna be doing like wrapping, and it's gonna get on my nerves. I was trying to like use a box and take the stickers off of it, and it was so annoying and I just got frustrated. So I've got my little, Marmalade sends you this tool. So if you want to kind of remove them, especially if you want to remove them early because they are glued on so well. So after I'm in the bath and they've kind of soaked a bit, I'm going to use this to just gently remove them, and I can put these back on. So that's cool. I've got a little Lush bath bomb. I've got my iPad sitting here. gonna watch a couple of videos. So I've got this little monster one from Halloween that I still haven't used. So cute, it's got this little eyeball. I think that's adorable. So we're gonna pop this in, see how it does. Ooh. Sometimes if you've had them a while, like moisture can get to them and they're not so fizzy, but this one's a good one. And this is gonna be this light pink, almost lavender. Okay, I'm excited. So I'm gonna take a bath, get these nails off. I'm not washing my hair. I'm just gonna like chill for a bit, watch a couple videos, and then I will go and run errands with you guys. So I'm well into my errands. I've got a iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato that I'm about to enjoy. And I also got this sweetest letter. I won't share it all because I don't know if she wants to show it, but Elizabeth, if you're watching, I'm so excited. She actually sent me a MAC lipstick from the last holiday season that I missed out on. Please, oh my God, my nails look awful. Let me just sit that right there. My nails look bloody awful. But yeah, I got a MAC lipstick now, yay! And this is from the holiday season before. I really wanted these and I wasn't able to get my hands on them quick enough, so I'm so excited. Thank you for that. So yeah, I'll definitely be using that soon. I got a lot of, a few little silly gifts, and then I got a lot of stocking stuffers. So I got that done. I mailed my packages as well. So now I'm about to go into TJ Maxx. Gold cherry blossom. I want the collagen. This 4 box. I'm gonna see if they're all in here because it doesn't really matter. Yeah, they're all in there, so I'm gonna get this beat up box because I want to try the collagen. Oh my God, that's so good. Hey guys, I'm home and I'm about to eat this. This is a piece of that orange dream cake that my mom made me. I was going to show you guys what it looked like, but I'm pretty sure like the majority of it is orange cake mix. It's got some Jello in it, and then I know it's got like a whip, maybe like Cool Whip and pineapple in the icing. I can't remember what all she puts in it, but it's so good. It's not really that healthy. I mean, it could be worse, but obviously it's not like nutritious. But I haven't eaten anything today. I'm starving. I think we'll probably get some Subway later. His dad totally spoiled us. He got us Amazon gift card, cash, Subway gift card, all sorts of treats, and they sent us snowflakes. I just have to show you. It said send in snowflakes since there aren't any down there. How freaking cute is that? So, oh, I just thought it was really cute. But yeah, I'm like, hey, we always have a hard time deciding either what to cook or what to get to eat. So Subway sounds good and it's relatively healthy. But I do have a whole like 13 by 9 that hardly has any gone, only like 2 pieces gone. So I have my treats basically for every day until it's gone, and I'm getting it out of my system now because I am going to be one of those people who starts the new year with like a health resolution. So I'm going to enjoy this now while I can, because later on sweets are going to be only a rarity, whereas now I'm like, ooh, I have a sweet every day. So I need to do better. So I'm like, well, what better time than the new year? Not just because it's the new year, but because, you know, it's easy to kind of get in that like, okay, this is a fresh start. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to eat this really quick, and then we're going to wrap some presents. I'm going to at least get everything boxed up that I have for Zach, so that he doesn't see anything. So we'll do that in just a minute. So I think Zach is going to love his stocking. This isn't everything, but it's a lot of Harry Potter stuff that I picked out for him. I may, if everything's too tight in the stocking, I may wrap this separately because they are really cool. They're little cards. I think it has houses on it and stuff. But look at all this stuff. I'm so excited. So to me, stockings are a little bit more than just, you know, crap or candy or whatever. I love to really fill them with things that, excuse me, that people are really going to enjoy. So I always make both my parents and Zach one, and I put a lot of thought into it. I don't know. I love all the little treasures, and it doesn't have to cost a lot to show that you know them and you really thought about what they would enjoy getting. So I love Christmas stockings. Like, I would love to do that for like every person in my life. That would make me so happy. If I could afford to, I definitely would. So yeah, who knows? Maybe in the future when I continue to grow, I'll do like a ton of Christmas stocking giveaways or something. I think that would be so fun. I hope I have the opportunity to do that kind of stuff soon. Minners, get out of the box. Minners, Minners, what are you doing? Quit. Don't knock that over either. So I'm having some wine and I'm about to wrap some presents. All right, so I don't have a lot of time. I have to get everything kind of boxed up and hidden, at least everything for Zach, obviously. So I want to show you guys really quick. My mom gave me the money to pick this up for Zach from her and my dad. This was at Walmart, and it's like a little miniature arcade game of his Pac-Man that he kind of like noticed the other day and was like, oh, that's really cool. And he loves like fun things like this. He's coming home. I think I've got like another 30 minutes, but don't want to chance it. So yeah, I got this from my parents. I already boxed one thing up before I thought about doing this, but this is a 3-pack of Adidas shower gels. Those are just like his favorite go-tos. I showed you guys the cards. I am gonna wrap them because his stocking is like overflowing at this point. And then I got him these Astro A10 headphones. So if you are looking for your guy some gaming headphones, like especially if he does, I guess like multiplayer, and Zach also streams on Twitch. So these are gonna come in really handy. And for the price, these are supposed to be really good. Like I got a recommendation from a friend of mine at work who said these were great. He uses them. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully he likes them. He definitely needs some new headphones. His are like tearing up in like this part. So these are only 60 bucks, but they're supposed to be good quality. So let's hope so. These are just basics from Target. This color I just thought would look really good. And then I love this like maroon deep color. They were pretty inexpensive, so I'm just gonna box them together as like one gift. I also I got him some Christmas pants. These I'm gonna tell him to open on Christmas Eve, but they're little sloths on candy canes. And I've got a ton of stuff in a stocking. I'm not 100% happy with everything. I feel like I needed to do more, but that's what I've gotten so far. I picked up this little miniature stocking at Target for $5 that has Yoda on it, and I put a GameStop gift card in here. So that is everything that I've gotten him so far. I usually don't shop last minute, but I feel like this year I am for whatever reason. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything boxed up. You can see the mess I've made. I've also got my wrapping paper container. I have so much wrapping paper. Actually, I don't have as much. This was like packed full, and I've like forced myself to not buy wrapping paper. But you can see I still have like not even open rolls. I have some really cute ones too, but I think I'm gonna save a few rolls specifically that kind of like go together, kind of like a theme. And then just use up what I have. So yeah, I have a lot of wrapping paper, so I'm gonna try to use up the ones that are kind of low-ish and maybe clear out this a little bit. Also have some like birthday wrap, some regular like plain green, just for whatever. I got some ribbon down there I need to fish out as well.
I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every card, hoping one is yours, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home. I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every star, wondering where you are, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home.
guys, we got a little fire going and I am enjoying some wine. A little glass of wine here. So I'm going to continue to wrap some presents and get this video edited for you. So I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day 18. I didn't really include today, but it is an anniversary of something bad that happened, and I just want to say thank you guys for being here for me, because making this video, even though it's just a vlog, just a regular old thing, really helps me to have like an outlet and I don't know, something creative that I can do and share with people, and I consider you guys friends. So thank you so much for being there for me even when you didn't know you were. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.